VTX 1800 continuing to run it. It's on, and you can hear it working in the engine. Still fit. Continues to run. Continues to run. It's the solenoid. You vote the solenoid a couple of times and it turns off. I'm seeing this problem on more than one 1800, several actually, on the VTX forums, but I can't find a video on how to fix this. This particular VTX 1800 is the end model. Big one of the VTXs. The big fenders. So what I'm going to do, according to the VTX forums, the simple fix for these, and I've tried ordering a new Honda solenoid with the same results, it just won't work. So they're saying on the forums that if you buy a lawn tractor solenoid, generic one will fit Briggs & Stratton, a Kohler, Toro, Lawn Boy, Grasshopper, Troy-Bilt, most common lawn tractors, that it will fix the issue. Now, I bought one off eBay. They say on the forums run down to O'Reilly, but I bought one I just got off eBay, just a generic, in this particular case for the Grasshopper. So what I'm going to try to do is put this on, see if that will fix the problem with this VTX. Okay, to replace the starter solenoid, you'll need to take off first the seat to get to the battery. The battery has to be disconnected because one of these posts is hot. We'll take up that back screw, screw on either side or the front part of the seat. There's a CU unit. There's 3 screws holding that plate on. Take that off, you get to the battery. In this case, I disconnected the positive cable. So now the solenoid is actually mounted back here. I've slipped this one off. And I'll go ahead and disconnect this one and connect the new one. Okay, we're back. And I do have the new solenoid installed. But I will tell you, it's not a plug and play. They didn't mention that in the forums, but I will in the video. So, first of all, the new one's considerably larger. And you can see there's slip-ons for the small wires. So I did have to snip this off, put some connectors on it, crimp those down. As far as the wires go, they had to be drilled out to accept the connectors. And also, the posts had to be drilled out. I used a 5/16 drill bit, and this on the Dremel on the smaller wires. Okay, I'm going to put it all back together and see if it works. Okay, so I have it all back together now. Everything's connected, so I'll try it. Turn the key on. I heard the starter engage and then disengage. it appears problem solved. I will say it's not a plug and play. Like I say, they don't mention that on the forums, and it does take, I'm no mechanic, took me about an hour. It could take longer. But be prepared for the modifications, and hopefully this will work. If you like the video, like it. Have any comments, share them. And good luck to you VTX owners. We love them.